New Baby asked me to show you one of their new bottles. It's a silicone based bottle, so what that does is it means that it's a squeezy bottle, so you can actually squeeze it. So when you're first feeding your baby, you gently squeeze the bottle to encourage the milk to flow through. What that does is it helps your baby get a perfect latch, like they would with breastfeeding. So they're going to get a latch and a feed that means that they're taking less air. So it's really good if you've got a windy baby or a baby that does take on a lot of air when they're feeding. Also in the bottle, in the base here, are anti-colic valves. They're also in the teat as well. So they're doing everything possible to try and reduce colic for your baby. The bottle's really easy to use and clean. One of the best features I've found is, you see, obviously lid off for sterilising. That comes off. Teat comes out. And then, even further to get it clean, it comes apart fully like that. You actually end up with 5 pieces to sterilise, which I know is a lot, but you're going to have a really, really clean bottle. You're going to make sure that every ounce of bacteria is out of there. There's no little nooks and crannies. The bottle itself doesn't have any real lips inside of it, anywhere for the milk to get caught. Putting it back together, if you've never done it before, looks really complicated, but it's dead easy. I'm going to show you. So what you do, take your lid, take your bottle, you push it over until the bottle pops up to the top of there, line up to the little groove there, and then what you need to do, make sure is that the bottle is up and over the edge of the lip here, and that's simply a case of just pushing it up and over and checking it all the way around. Just takes a few seconds, but means you've got a really good seal back. And if you've never seen that done before, it is actually quite difficult to figure out what's going wrong and why you've got milk spilling everywhere. So yeah, so then once it's done, the inside of the bottle is lipped up and over the top of the fastener there. I'll just peel it off so you can see and just show you how simple it is to push over. So that's all. And then, as with all things, you're going to take your teat, get that back into place on your bottle. As simple as that, you're good to go. But this squeezy security effect on the bottle actually makes it really good for brand new babies. For if you've got a baby, you're trying to encourage them to get that really good sort of latch on the bottle and feed nicely. That's going to help them get a really good suction action. So it's going to reduce your feed times, because baby knows what they're doing and gets a good latch, and that helps them get the milk out properly. And it's going to help them take in less air. What's not to like?